How you doing, guys? I hope you are well. I'm going to show you a little technique that I do sometimes with pork. I do love pork and pasta, and sometimes you've got to cook out that pork, you know, braise it and then incorporate it into the pasta. But I'm going to show you a quick method that I sometimes do to get the maximum flavor out of pork. And I'm going to use a pork chop for this, so it's going to be good. And as you can see, I'm not using very much ingredients. So we've got some pork chops. I got some dill, goes fantastic with pork instead of onion. Got some leeks, and they're nice and sweet. Got some stock, got some double cream. I got some mustard, and I got some farfalle pasta. That's it, simple. Right, first you want to get your pan nice and hot because you want to get that crispy golden brown texture on top of that pork. That's where the flavor's at. So you need to get your pan nice and hot. This thing is noisy, so I do apologize, but first get some olive oil in. And then get your pork in. And you want to hear that sizzle. Lay away from you. And do not touch them. And now this is very tempting. This is the time where you want to shake that pan and just check. But they're stuck to the pan right now. But the secret is to just leave it. Leave it alone, and they'll release from the pan, and you'll get that nice golden crust that you want. And that's what I'm looking for, and that's what I want. And then I'm going to stick them in the oven. So now these go in the oven. And while the pork is cooking, we'll cut our leek. And to wash it, I've shown you many times on the channel, but just cut it down the middle, all the way around. And then you just wash in between these to get all that grit out. Very simple. Right, leeks are done, and you just want to keep all that goodness from the pan. Don't wash it out or anything. I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil just to get it going a little bit more, but the flavor's in there. Don't touch it. Right, get your leeks in. And you just want to cook these out for about 5 minutes. And once the onions are pretty soft, add your mustard. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of mustard. Give that a good stir, and you want to cook out that mustard for about 2 minutes. And next, your stock. It is smelling awesome, honestly. Give that a good stir. And now you just want to reduce that by half. Because I'm reducing it, I want it thick, you know, it's reduced by half. So if I keep on going like that, up and down, and if I see bubbles, it's too thin. You got to keep going. And then when you don't see bubbles much, it's getting there. So now, as you can see, this is where I want the sauce. Not too thick, not too thin, just in between. That's where I want it. Next, add your cream. And then give it a good stir. And now you want to bring that up to a light boil, not a vigorous boil, just a nice light boil for about a minute. Sauce is done, and then we'll add some herbage like some dill, or tarragon's good in here as well. Not your typical herbage for pork. Dill, tarragon really work well with pork and mustard. And you can use any pasta for this. I'm using farfalle, but like I said, any pasta will work fantastic. Do you know what I think would really work with this dish? Some nice orzo. I think that would work really, really nice. So farfalle I'm using. And you just want to cook this until it's edible. And this is what I'm talking about. Pork heaven. So I just want to cut a little bit off there. It's just oozing pork because you've got that crust on there. And all you have to do is just incorporate that in the end. So you've still got that pork flavor, intense pork flavor, instead of cooking it for a long, long time. It's quick, it's easy, and that pork didn't take long to cook at all. Go easy on that dill. You can add as much as you like, but dill's strong, so you got to watch that. And then just add this beautiful pork in there. And then add your pasta. Honestly, it smells amazing. And then really give all that a good stir. And then just get all that in your bowl. Get it all in. And that is packed full of flavor. Porky goodness. Get some of this pork, some of this pasta, that sauce. Delicious.